Sa mapagpalang araw mga ka-G, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And I think it's about time for us na pagkumparahin natin ang bagong motor ni Yamaha, which is the Yamaha Lexi versus Honda Click 160. Bakit? Some may argue na magkalayo yung price range nila. But just recently, Honda announced na they're lowering their price from 116,000 pesos. It's now down to 108,900 pesos. And what are you getting in return? For Click 160, it actually has a larger fuel tank capacity. From 4.2 lang ni Yamaha Lexi, this Click 160 comes with 5.5 liters of fuel tank capacity. And not only that, when we compare the two, si Yamaha Lexi versus Click 160, oftentimes Hondas are much more fuel efficient. So that means yung full tank mo mas malayo ang mararating compared kay Yamaha Lexi. And then number 2, storage space. If you compare the storage space of the two, yung sa U-Box pa lang ni Click 160, definitely mas malaki yung U-Box nito compared sa U-Box na meron si Lexi. And then number 3, naka-combi brake system na si Honda, which is not present with Yamaha. Combi brake system, this is an advantage lalong-lalo na sa mga newbie riders out there. Pero kung ikaw ay well-trained na when it comes to riding, this won't be a problem for you. And then number 4, high-tech features. Keyless na si Honda 160 as opposed to Yamaha Lexi, which is just using traditional keys. And then finally, price wars. Ang problem natin when it comes to Philippine market is sasabihin nila na nasa 99,900 lang si Yamaha Lexi. But by the time that it reaches Casas, unfortunately, kung hindi man mo makuha ng hulugan, you will get it in cash but not the SRP price. So given this challenge from Honda na binabana nila yung presyo, I'm hoping na makatulong ito sa ating mga consumers and maibigay nila ang Yamaha Lexi at a much more lower price. Ano naman ang laban ngayon ni Yamaha Lexi given na nagbabana ng presyo si Honda Click 160? Number 1, yung upuan. For me, this is the main advantage ni Yamaha Lexi. Dahil for my use case, mas gusto ko yung makapal. At hindi lang basta makapal, malapad din. Given na medyo challenge yung butt natin, mas magiging paborable para sa akin yung meron kang komportabling upuan. Dahil hindi lang siya basta makapal, hindi lang siya basta firm, malapad din siya. So swak na swak to para sa akin. And then number 2, yung rider posture or yung seating position. Sa Yamaha Lexi, mas relax, mas upright yung riding posture compared to Click. Si Click naman, I'm not saying na hindi maganda yung riding posture niya, pero mas less upright siya dahil para may pagka-racing yung stance mo pagkagamit mo si Honda Click 160. Pangatlo, yung torquiness ni Yamaha Lexi compared with Click 160. Nakita ko na yan or nakita na ng iba yan na mas matulin talaga si Click 160 when it comes to top speed. Pero when it comes to torquiness and kung balak mo na ipang Philippine loop yung motor mo, then I think, given the design ni Yamaha Lexi, mas maganda siya in the long run. Pang-apat, wheelbase ni Yamaha Lexi. Probably ito yung kadalasang hindi masyadong napapansin ng mga riders pagka bumibili sila ng mga motor. Pero actually, sobrang importante nito. The longer the wheelbase, the more stable your ride will be. Lalong-lalo na sa mga long ride or mga touring rides, no? Pagka maikse ang wheelbase ng isang motor mo, then definitely maalog ang ride mo. Mararamdaman mo yan. Mararamdaman mo na maalog yung ride mo. And then finally, gulay board. Alam naman natin, tayong mga Pilipino, napakahilig natin maglagay ng hindi lang basta gulay, kundi kung ano-anong mga gamit sa footboard natin. And the larger the footboard, the bigger the gulay board, then it's definitely a plus factor. Yung iba bumibili just because of the gulay board. So, ang gulay board ni Yamaha Lexi versus kay Click 160 is much more roomier. So, hopefully nakatulong sa inyo itong mini vlog natin. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!